You're looking to decorate your wall by the door, solar-powered lights, wall schooners. We're going to show you what this product is about. From the makers of MATAMEYE, it's a 1500 milliamp battery solar schooner, a 2-pack. 8 hours of direct sun on a cloudy day, and if you are looking for 8 modes with the remote control, dusk to dawn. We're going to show you what this product is about, open it up, and how to set it up. Let's get going. It is nicely wrapped inside, remote controls, template, and instruction guide. In the kit, you get 2 schooner solar lights. They measure 4 by 2 by 17 inches with 2 remote controls, a template, an instruction guide, and hardware. On the bottom is your mounting hole, and the back is your keyhole on the front. Place your template on the wall surface where you're mounting, so this way you can hang the light. The unit has an on and off and a mode button. Simply press the on button to turn the unit on by covering the solar panel. When enough light is hit, the light will shut off. In this demonstration, you're going to take your template, drill 2 holes where you need your light to be at. Take the supplied anchor and screw, place into the hole 2 of them per light. Start to sink in the screw, matching the keyhole and the screw by adjusting. Pushing down and placing in the next screw over here. Before turning the light on, allow the sun to charge the solar panel for a couple of days. And then when it's fully charged, come and turn the light on by pressing on, and the light will light up and then shut down. Set the mode you prefer for the evening hours to turn on, dusk to dawn. We're going to demonstrate each of the modes inside and tell you what they are. To start the unit, you must turn on the unit first. Pressing the first button underneath the green will be a circle. Pressing the next one will be static. The next one is follow up, and then follow down. After that will be split. The next will be breathe, flashing, and last is drop. Those are the 8 modes of the dusk to dawn LED wall light. You can change the modes on the upper right hand corner as well. We have one light off, one light on, and we're going to hit the on from a distance. They light up. And we went through the 8 modes early on. As you can see, they're blinking. We'll put it on mode 1. Mode 2 in the back. Mode 3. I'll leave that one like that. Mode 4. Mode 5. Mode 6. Mode 7. And mode 8. Schooners. They dress up cosmetically the wall, lights up the area nicely. It's a 2-pack that you could put by the door. anywhere imaginable. So if you're looking to light up your area with the remote control or hit the on button to change the light sequences on top, this product may be something that you are looking for.